Every day, someone is in trouble. Emergencies don't knock. They appear suddenly.
Is someone following me?
My heart hurts.
Why did the driver took this wrong turn? It's suspicious.
Why is this strange man trying to talk to me? I'm scared.
Oh no! Robbers!
But what if her phone could speak for her?
I need help.
I should alert. I should silently ask for help.
Help! Help! Help!
Yes, I got his location, and I've called the ambulance.
I've shared the live location with the police. I'm also heading there. Because safety of our family comes first. Download Trusty, your safety companion.